Solve word problems of exercise 4.3 sorry. The question number 4, and it is what? The sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 upon 3. Find his present age. Means we have to find out the Rahman's present age. Here we assume let present age of Rahman is equal to X years, and 3 years ago Rahman's age will be what? X minus 3. 3 year ago means पहले, तो पहले उसकी obviously क्या होगी? कम होगी. Now 5 years from now, मतलब कि अब से 5 years बाद में, तो Rahman's age will be what? Rahman's age will be what? X plus 5. बाद में एज क्या हो जाएगी? प्लस हो जाएगी. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन द सम ऑफ देयर रेसिप्रोकल मीन्स रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ एज 3 year ago एंड 5 years ago, इन दोनों के एज के रेसिप्रोकल मीन्स 1 अपॉन x minus 3 and 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to what? It is given in the question 1 upon 3. So taking LCM you will get x minus 3 x plus 5. So x plus 5 plus x minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 3. X and x is 2x. 5 minus 3 is 2 upon, we will multiply this, x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 1 upon 3. इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो मिलेगा, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई this into this, so you will get x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to this into this 6x plus 6. So x square plus 2x minus 6x minus 15, इधर आएगा तो minus 6 is equal to 0. x square minus 2 minus 6 is minus 4x minus 15 minus 6 minus 21 is equal to 0. So multiplication is what? 21. देखिए वर्ड प्रॉब्लम को हम किसी मेथड से सोल्व कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज 21 एंड द डिफरेंस इज 4. सो 7 3 is 21 और 7 minus 3 is 4. So it is x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 is equal to 0. Taking x common it is x minus 7 plus taking 3 common it is x minus 7 is equal to 0. Taking x minus 7 common, you will get x plus 3. X minus 7 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 7 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 3. Age cannot be negative. So the value of x is equal to 7. So hence the present age of Rahman will be what? 7 years. Hence will be 7 years. Next question. In a class test, the sum of Saifali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, 2 marks more in maths and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. We have to find out the marks in 2 subjects. So the sum of marks in the 2 subjects it is given that sum of marks in maths and English is what? 30. Let marks obtained in maths. We assume here that the marks obtained in maths is x and their sum is what? 30. So in the next subject means English, the marks obtained will be what? 30 minus x. So marks obtained in English will be what? 30 minus x. Now according to question, marks obtained in, if marks obtained in maths is 2 more, means this will be x plus 2, and marks obtained in English is 3 less, means अभी कितना था? 30 minus x minus 3, so 30 minus 3 is 27, 27 minus x. Then their product is equal to 210. So we will find out the product. First is what? X plus 2. Second is 27 minus x is equal to 210. Multiply x into this 27x, x into minus x square, 2 into 27, 54, and 2 into minus x minus 2x is equal to 210. Minus x square, 27x minus 2x, this is 25x, and plus 54 minus 210 is equal to 0. 54 minus 200 means 200 minus 54. So it is minus 156. Means what we have? Multiply by minus both sides. So you will get x square minus 25x plus 156 is equal to 0. If we solve it by factorization method, then 13 into 12 is 156 and 13 plus 12 is 25. So it is x square minus 13x minus 12x plus 156 is equal to 0. Taking x common, x minus 13. Taking here 12 common, x minus 13 is equal to 0. X minus 13 common, what is remaining? X minus 12 is equal to 0. X minus 13 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 13. X minus 12 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 12. Both are positive, means the marks obtained in maths will be 13, then marks obtained in English will be 30 minus 30 minus 13. So marks obtained in maths is equal to 30 and English is equal to 30 minus 13, that is 27. It is 17. Or second possibility is what? Marks obtained in maths is equal to 12 and English is equal to 30 minus 12, that is 18. So both possibilities are correct. Next, question number 6. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side if longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. Find the sides of field. Here field is given and the relationship between shorter side and diagonal and longer side is given. If shorter side is x, then it is given that the diagonal is 60 meter more than shorter side. So this will be what? X plus 60. And the longer side is 30 meter more than shorter side. Then this will be x plus 30. And we know that it is rectangle. So this will be what? Triangle. And which type of triangle? Right angle triangle. So we will use Pythagoras theorem to find out the relationship between x and the numbers. See, let shorter side be x meter. So diagonal will be what? X plus 60 meter, and longer side will be what? X plus 30 meter. Now, using Pythagoras theorem, so this square plus this square is equal to this square, means x square plus x plus 30 whole square is equal to x plus 60 whole square. So this is x square plus 60x plus 900 is equal to x square plus 120x plus 3600. X square cancels. X square 60x इधर आएगा तो minus 120, 60 minus 120 is minus 60x. 900 minus this, so you will get minus 2700 is equal to 0. तो 90 into 30 2700 हो जाएगा और 90 minus 30 60 हो जाएगा. तो स्प्लिट कर देते हैं इसको. एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 90x प्लस 30x माइनस 2700. Taking x common, x minus 90. Taking 30 common, we'll get x minus 90 is equal to 0. So what we get? X minus 90 into x plus 30 is equal to 0. X minus 90 is equal to 0 or x plus 30 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 90 or x is equal to minus 30. Length cannot be negative. So value of x will be what? 90. We have to find out sides. These are the two sides. So sides are, means shorter side will be what? X, and that is what? 90 meter. And the longer side we assume x plus 30, that is 90 plus 30, that is 120 meter. Next question, the difference of square of two numbers is 180. The square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. Here we have to find out two numbers. So there are two relations. Their difference is 180. Difference of their square is 180. So we assume here let numbers are x and y, and also we assume that x is greater than y. According to question, the first condition, difference of their square is equal to 180. Means what? X square minus y square is equal to 180. This is the first relation. The second is, it is given that the square of smaller is equal to 8 times the larger number. So smaller is what? Y. So y square is equal to 8x. This is second. Now from first and second, what we have? If we put y square is equal to 8x in first, we get x square minus 8x is equal to 180. Transpose on this side, x square minus 8x minus 180 is equal to 0. अब इसको हम किसी मेथड से सोल्व कर लेंगे. स्प्लिटिंग द मिडिल टर्म से सोल्व करेंगे तो एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 18x 18 10 जा और 18 10 जा 18 माइनस 10 इज 8 प्लस 10x माइनस 180 इज इक्वल टू 0. Taking x common, x minus 18, taking 10 common, again x minus 18 is equal to 0. Taking x minus 18 common, you will get x plus 10 is equal to 0. Means x minus 18 is equal to 0 or x plus 10 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 18 or x is equal to minus 10. So that number cannot be negative. So that number will be what? 18. And the second is y. And from second, we can find out that y square is equal to 8x. Means 8 into 18. And y square is equal to 8 into 18 is what? 144. So y is equal to root of 144. That is 12. So the numbers are what? 18 and 12. Hence numbers are 18 and 12.
अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो फौरन सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, साथ ही बेल आइकॉन पर क्लिक करें ताकि मजीद आने वाली वीडियो